I'm here with Anand Tiwari, the lead actor of the new web series Sex Chat with Pappu and Papa. Anand, digital medium has becoming the new cool. What do you feel about it? Will this series make it big on the platform?
See, Y Films already has a very solid captive audience, and they will definitely watch it. Beyond that, I think because it's for the first time a web series is being focused on sex education or sex chat, it will definitely have a lot of people interested in it. And I think we have made a series which is entertaining enough for them to come back to it more and more and keep sharing it with everybody that they know. And the reach of this is going to be far beyond the general catchment of 15 to 24, which is the internet catchment, so to say. But I think more and more people are going to watch it, which are also outside the catchment area.
Okay, let's get into a quick rapid fire round.
Sure.
One school joke about sex that is not funny anymore.
One school joke or cool joke?
Cool.
One school joke about sex that is not funny anymore कि तू उसको किस कर लेगा तो तेरा बच्चा पैदा हो जाएगा.
Okay. Your favorite web series?
My favorite web series is Bang Baja Bharat for no obvious reasons.
The most embarrassing question you have asked as a kid?
The most embarrassing question I've asked as a kid. So there is a very. I'm making this confession on live TV now. Basically, I was a very young kid. I think about 3.5 or something, and I was going in a car with my mum, and I saw a photograph of one of the heroines, which I will not mention, of those years. And I looked at and I pointed at her, and I said, "Mummy, मुझे इसका दूध पीना है."
The most embarrassing question a kid has asked you?
The most embarrassing question my nephew asked me a few days ago, in fact. He took me on the corner when I had gone to meet him and said, "I have to tell you a secret." And he had injured his penis. And he couldn't show it to his mother or his father because he's embarrassed, and he somewhere felt that I would be the right guy to show it to. So I was like, okay. And I had to be very cool because I'm now doing sex chat with Pappu and Papa.
One myth about sex that broke when you grew up?
कि मुझे सचमुच लगता था कि किस करने से बच्चे पैदा हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि बॉलीवुड में हम यही दिखाते थे कि हस्बैंड और वाइफ या दो एक्टर्स एक दूसरे को किस करते थे, एक फूल आता था, फिर बच्चा हो जाता था. तो मुझे लगता था कि अगर मैं किसी को किस कर दूं तो उसको बच्चा हो जाएगा. अब मुझे समझ में आ गया कि किसिंग से बच्चे पैदा नहीं होते.
So the next game is 5-second rule. You will only get 5 seconds. You have to say 3 words that come to your mind first.
3 words that come to my mind. Okay.
3 female body parts.
Boobs, ass, eyes.
Okay. 3 things you do before going to bed.
Look at my phone, switch off my phone, look at it again.
3 male body parts.
Penis, nose hair, balding.
3 safety precautions for women.
3 safety precautions for women. I don't think women should have any safety precautions. Men should have all the safety precautions because they are the ones that are being quite non-safe anymore.
You don't only have to think about sex, like helmet, seat belt.
Say that again.
Not just about sex, like helmet, seat belt, and
protection-wise, I think they should just have one thing, which should be these glasses that only pick intelligent men over stupid men who are just good-looking.
Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot. That was Anand Tiwari for us. This is Bollywood Live signing off.